Installing Linux on Windows 10 the safe and easy way. This works on Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. The option isn't enabled by default. In order to enable Hyper-V, you can either open a Windows PowerShell by clicking on the Start menu or typing your Windows key. In Windows PowerShell, simply type the following. If you're having trouble with Windows PowerShell, run it as administrator. Alternatively, you can access Hyper-V features and settings by clicking on the Start menu or pressing your Windows Super key and typing in Turn Windows features on or off. This window can also be accessed through the control panel.